Do you want to know?
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time or stopping here, you are welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, you are also welcome. On today's video, I'm doing slick low bun on my short natural hair, and the first thing I'll do is to spray my hair with water so my hair will be moisturized and easy for me to comb and detangle. So if you like this kind of video, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the like button. So moving on, I'm using my cattle shea butter leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair, and I'm going to apply it all over my hair so that my hair will be well moisturized, and then move on to the next step. So the next thing I'll do is to use my big tooth mat comb to comb my hair, to comb it very well so that it will be soft and easy for me to work with. So I'm doing a side part. So what I did first is to put my part there before moving to the next one and put my hair in section. So I start from the back, and what I do, because I'm working in smaller section, I'll first spray it with water, then put my leave-in conditioner, and then go in with my gel. Make sure you put enough gel because of your short hair so that they will be well slick, and then I will comb to make sure it's well slick very well before proceeding to the next section. And then I will hold it with elastic band. The one I'm using is very elastic, so I will repeat the same process in the rest of the hair. And since your hair is short, you have to work it with patience. You can't do this kind of hair in a hurry. You have to take your time so that you can have a smooth, slinky hair. So this is what I do. I keep repeating the same process until the very end of the hair. So as you can see, that is what I keep doing. I use a brush, and I also use a hard brush so that my hair will be well slick. And make sure your hair is moisturized. Don't do it while your hair is dry. And also use a big tooth mat comb to comb your hair while doing it. So this video is pretty honest. As you can see, this is what I did. So I will just repeat the same process, spray with water, and then move on with my leave-in conditioner and then enough gel, and also smooth it very well. So this is what I will do until the very end of the hair. So keep watching, and if you are still watching this video, make sure you subscribe and share with others. And don't forget to hit on the like button down there and like this video. By doing this, it enables me to know the kind of video you like and the kind of video I should make next. So make sure you do that. It means a lot to me. So moving on, as you can see, I still repeated the same step, and at the end of it, I have a very smooth. Even me myself, I was so surprised because this is my first time of doing this on my short natural hair. But while I'm trying to do this, I said, okay, let me film it for other people who also have short natural hair. So keep watching and don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. So I'm removing the baby hair so that I can do some style on my front. So that is what I'm just doing there. So this is the last one I'm doing. So Before tightening my bun, I make sure I smooth the hair very well using my brush and putting enough eco styling gel before tightening my bun. And as you can see, for what I'm doing is well smooth and very beautiful. So this is how to do your bun. What you just need to do is to let it dry very well before putting on your ponytail. And here is the final result. What I will do next is to wait for the hair to dry before putting on my ponytail. So I'm using cattle edge control to style my edges. So to keep my hair intact, I use my satin hair scarf to tie it very well before going to bed, because at the time I did this video is very late. So guys, my hair is dry and well laid, you can see. So this year I'll be using, I bought it for Amazon, ponytail afro kicking coil. This is what I will use to conclude this hair video. What I really love about this hairstyle is that you can remove the ponytail and leave your hair that way, and then just pin it in whenever you are going out, and it's going to last for a long time. I really love it, and this is to encourage all short natural hair, that no matter how short your hair is, you can style it and still have a beautiful hairstyle just like when you have your relaxed hair. So, and I hope this video encouraged someone to keep their natural hair and have a beautiful hairstyle. So even though you don't have a very long natural hair, you can still have a beautiful hair. And if you watched to this very point, I want to tell you thank you so much for watching. And here is the final result. You can see how beautiful it is. When I saw the final look, I was so amazed, like the way my natural hair can do this hairstyle. If my hair can do this, your hair can do also. All you need to do is to take very good care of your hair and know what to do next. So that is pretty much for this video. So guys, if you have a short natural hair like mine, you don't have to worry. You can rock any style of your choice. As you can see, I was able to lay low my natural hair, like as you can see here. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share with others, and this might be of help to someone out there that is thinking of how he's going to rock his natural hair. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.